What's up guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Mastersons Car Care, and today I'm going to show you guys some basic glass cleaning techniques with the 2-towel method. Now I've been detailing for a long time. I'm known as a detailing legend, and I want to make sure that I give you guys the best detailing tips on how to clean windows. A lot of people ask me how to clean windows, and when I clean windows, I like to keep it simple to get the best results. So I'm going to show you my best glass cleaning tips for how to clean windows. And the first trick to cleaning glass is you want to choose the right product. Now you don't want to use any household glass cleaners on your glass. You want to use an automotive grade glass cleaner. So we're going to use our Mastersons glass cleaner. I love it because it's safe for tinted windows. You see these windows, they're tinted. You don't want to use ammonia-based glass cleaners. This is a water-based glass cleaner with alcohol. So it's going to clean the glass, it's going to clean off all the dirt, and then alcohol is going to give it that flash of streak-free shine on the glass. And plus I'm going to use some basic microfiber towels. Remember, when you do glass cleaning, just keep it simple. All you need is a good glass cleaner and some great towels. Now this glass is filthy. We actually left this car outside for over 6 weeks outside in the city. So it's got this industrial like metallic dust on there. It's got dirt, it's got grime. Check out the footage. It's completely filthy, and the side windows have all these water spots on there from sitting outside and getting hit by a sprinkler. So I'm going to show you guys how to clean the glass using our Mastersons glass cleaner and some basic microfiber towels. So let's start with the back. I'm going to go ahead and first take my glass cleaner and shake it up. And if you notice, I'm doing this in the sun. You know, when you're doing glass cleaning, you want to make sure you actually do it in the shade, but this glass cleaner is so good that you can do it in the sun. It's a warm day. I feel the glass, it feels kind of warm, so I'm going to do this in sections to make sure that I get the best result. So let's first show you guys how to do the 2-towel method. What is the 2-towel method? It's where you actually use 2 towels to clean the window. You always want to use 2 towels. Now, why is that, Greg? It's because the first towel is going to get all this dirt off, this heavy dirt, and then the second towel is actually going to buff off the streaks, and we're going to do this in the sun. This glass is super hot. Like if I put my hand on it, it does burn my hand. It's pretty hot. I cannot hold it there for more than a couple seconds, but this glass cleaner is going to do the job, and it's going to get a streak-free shine. So if you notice, I also folded my towels in 4s. So here's a microfiber towel. I'm going to fold it one way long and then one way short. That's going to give me a nice 4-towel fold to clean the glass. So let's go ahead and start cleaning the glass. I'm going to do this in sections. So take your glass cleaner, and if this were cool outside, like I was doing this in the shade like you're supposed to do, I would use like just 2 sprays, but I need to use a good coverage because the water-based formula is going to dry very fast, especially on this heat. So let's go ahead and spray it on, and let's cover the surface. There we go. And you can even see, look, it's like steaming off. That steam is just crazy. So let's go ahead and clean the glass, and look how fast it cleans the glass. Cleans it really good. If you got these little areas like this airplane fuel right here, don't worry. You can go ahead and take it right off. And there we go. Look how fast that cleaned off the dirt. It's crazy. I'm actually going to give like one last wipe down to the glass because we're cleaning very dirty glass on a really hot surface, and I want to make sure I just get no streaks. So there we go. Now let's take a second towel and let's buff off these streaks. And look, even though we did this in the direct sunlight, we used the 2-towel method, I moved quickly, I was able to get that really incredible clear glass. And people usually have trouble cleaning the glass. I never have trouble because I use the 2-towel method. So the cool thing is my towel's a little moist, so I can still clean off some areas that might have streaks. If you have any areas that have streaks because you're doing this in the direct sunlight, it's because the towel it has water on it with the water-based formula because there's water in the glass cleaner, and it's drying on the surface. But look at that. It's actually really good. We'll actually get some really good shots of that and throw it in here. But this is just amazing, this glass. That quick, we were able to clean the glass, and it looks great already. Look at the difference. The before, the after, it's simply incredible. So let's go ahead and clean a little bit more on this back windshield. I'm going to go ahead and clean it in sections, try to get no streaks. Let's go ahead and first spray the surface. There we go. And remember, I'm working quick because we're out here in the sun and you can just bake it on. This is tinted glass, so it's like really hot. So I'm just working to make sure that I don't get any streaks on this glass. And if you see these little spots on the glass, like this one, this one, this one, what those are is those are airplane fuel because we are under like a flight path. So those are actually airplane fuel. So what I do is I just go ahead and like spray a little bit of glass cleaner on my towel, and I take it off. This one's really stuck on there, so you can just pop it off with your finger, and there we go. Look at the difference already on there. That's just a crazy difference how that works. And like I said, we're doing this in direct sunlight. It's really hot out here. Even come on the other side. Let's go ahead and fix these water spots right now, guys. So this side has water spots. As you can see, it sat next to a sprinkler and it got hit with water spots. So let's go ahead and clean the windows right here. I'll leave this front one dirty, and then let's do the back one. So look at my towel right now with the 4-towel fold. That's why I love doing this 4-towel fold, because look, only one corner of my towel on one side is dirty. So I can literally take my towel, even with the dirty side on there. Look, I can fold it, and now the dirty side is just hidden away. Great feature. So let's go ahead and clean this glass. I'm gonna clean both this small back window and this window same time. So let's go ahead and spray it on. And let's go ahead and clean the glass. Look how I'm just cleaning away all of the dirt, and I'm going all the way to the edge too. Don't be afraid to spray the seal and get in there, because the seal needs cleaning too. There's dirt in that seal. It's gonna cause your window to get streaks when it rolls down. So clean all the dirt, spray it in the seal. The glass cleaner is gonna evaporate, leave a streak-free shine. Okay, second towel, go grab it, and I buff. It's really hot out here. So this is not ideal conditions. Ideal conditions, indoor, in garage. Best detailing conditions for cleaning glass, but check that out. I got that one little spot right there. Come inside, see that? One little spot, airplane fuel, we were talking about that. Take your microfiber towel, spray on the towel. Go ahead, clean glass. Buff. So easy, so fast. Amazing, right? Now, after you do that, I have glasses on because it's really hot out here. You can see I'm sweating. I'm gonna inspect. Take the glasses off, inspect it. Already, it looks great. Come over here from where I am, guys. Look at the difference over here. You can just stand back and you can literally see the difference on the glass. This is so much water spots. I mean, this car is dirty. It sat outside for weeks. This is our Project BMW, and it literally just sat outside during this coronavirus pandemic because we couldn't drive around. We're in quarantine. So we wanted to show you how to clean the glass, and look how fast we were able to clean the glass. You can come up to the windshield, guys, and see how dirty the glass really truly is. It's just dirty. Look, there's some bird poop right there. So we did a good job of cleaning the glass. So easy on this back, and you can be able to clean it too. Let's go ahead and show you guys again how hot the glass can get. So we'll come onto the other side. This glass is really hot. I'm gonna clean the rest of this. So let's go ahead and show you how hot it gets. I'm gonna spray the glass cleaner on here and just watch the steam that comes off this, but still the glass cleaner works so great. If you guys can see that on the camera, I can see it over here. The steam, oh, look at that, you see the steam? There we go. You can, I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but you get this steam on the window because it's so hot out here, but this glass cleaner just works. And the reason I love our Mastersons detailing products is they just work. When I use a detail supply, I want it to just work. That's like the best thing in the world, to have something, just go out, grab it, use it, and it works every time. It's like awesome reliability. So if you ever want like a very reliable, trustworthy glass cleaner, this is the one to get. Always works good. And it works great around the home too, because home-based glass cleaners, they don't work on automotive applications because the glass is different than like the glass at your home on your French doors. This is German glass. There's even the BMW logo right here. This car is made in Germany. Look at this. This is a BMW logo right there. So, you know, this is a German glass, and it's not just your basic, you know, French glass on your door. This is tinted glass also. And I mean, automotive glass needs to be cared for and maintained just like the rest of your car. So if you use great glass cleaning techniques and tips, you could do it. And you don't have to be worried that, oh, I can't clean the glass in the sun. Like, it's hot out here. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. It's hot. And we're still able to use our products and get great results. So hope you guys are able to find this some great tips from Mastersons Car Care, our Mastersons Car Care glass cleaner. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to check out more videos on detailing and our basic tips to help you guys get the best results on your car, hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com. I'll put it right here on the video. And then remember, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. Helps us grow our community and helps grow the knowledge for you guys to help us make more videos and send them around the world to you guys. Now, I'm Greg from Mastersons Car Care. We'll see you next time, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.